Alright guys, today we are autocrossing again. I am hiding inside of this little hallway because it is windy. For some reason we're a Legacy, but the weather thought we were in Tuella today. So let's go check out some cars and we'll get running today.
You went to nationals, I think.
Squad. Squad up. Squad. Squad up. Squad. I don't like 996s, but this one looks really good. And then here's a Cayman. There is an R35 here. These like never come out. I don't even see them in NASA that much. It's kind of sad. Got a good selection of cars. This is awesome because no excuses. No excuses why you can't autocross. Mustang gang. Crowd killers. Squad up. We got the LS gang over here. Really got to represent. And then we have another R35. I've never seen two at a track day at the same time. So that's very interesting. We got one more RS today. The reason they're in B Street is because they're bull. You can figure out the rest of the acronym. They're just too fast. It's not fair. Not fair. So today we're just running the 595s because the tire shop wasn't able to mount my RSRRs back on. I dismounted them for the drift event, so I had another set of wheels for drifting on. But yeah, the tire shop wasn't able to. So here we are. Alright, I just got back from doing New Drivers Course Walk. We're going to drive now and I have Gare Bear co-driving with me. We're getting familiar with the car because he's going to co-drive with me at the next drift event. So this should be fun. I'm ready to
make him cry.
Ready to roast some tires.
It's a weird course so far, man. People have been going super slow for this first half.
I'm just gonna send it.
Do it.
See what happens.
Sideways. Ready, set, go.
I'm used to having more grip.
Yeah, it does not flow together.
No. Which makes it even easier to slide the car.
Yeah, man. I think I've been going to too many drift events.
I know, right? I don't even know what my alignment's at right now.
You were linking it pretty good. This is awesome.
Yeah.
He just turns and darts. He says that thing has no brakes like almost at all right now though. How you get 5 feet?
Felt good.
Yeah.
Oh wow, 43.7. I didn't even think I'd break into that barrier, but okay. I'm not too worried about being competitive today, so it's actually really fun to practice on some lower grip tires. It really like kind of highlights things you can work on, like oversteer or when to get on power and balance your weight between cornering, turn-in, and you know, your steering input, where you transfer weight from the front to the back. It's really a good practice practicing with low grip tires. So I'm having a lot of fun. I'm not worried about being competitive because the RS got coilovers now. That RS and STU is just gonna dominate. It's gonna dominate. 350Z's lost its competitive edge, guys. I'm sorry.
Ready and okay. gotten all sideways.
Yeah. I was feeling pretty good. What was the time? 43.4. That's my fastest.
Yeah.
There are a lot of muscle cars here. There's like 3 ZL1s, 2 Shelby GT 500s, bunch of Corvettes. There's a Hellcat. A lot of muscle here. It's crazy to see how the cars slowly change here. How we've like created such a large muscle car presence here at Autocross locally. I'm still catching up on sleep from Nitro Circus.
Good.
I haven't been able to all week, and here I am waking up early for this instead of sleeping in.
Ready? I'm gonna give you the 2-arm salute.
Oh boy!
Ready? Send it!
Send it! I hit that cone. Damn it, I hit 42.5. I just barely tapped it. Alright, well, I got into the 42s. Alright, instructional in the GTI. Is your traction and stability control completely off?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Got it? Okay, ready? Alright. This course requires a lot of setting up.
Yeah.
Leave it in second gear. Brake through this. You can gun through this section right here. Brake through this section and rotate into here. You go through the angle, brake a little more. Go wide here and rotate it in. See how close I got to that cone and see how much I can gun it here? Yeah. Brake here. We're gonna bring our back tire to this cone here. And then we can gut through here. You can pretty much hold it. A little bit of brake here. This slalom's weird, so you want to give up speed to make sure you do it smoothly. Hold it here, go wide here. Bring it wide through here, almost sideways through that gate. Let the car rotate. See how it's rotating? We brought it to the right side there. And that's it right there. And your car has a 44.7 in it while talking to someone. Alright. Instructing golf today. Woo! This is a Golf R though. Much better.
Stability control, traction control off.
I got you. Turn it all off.
Still need any of that wizardry.
Alright, let's go. You're about to learn today, boy. Alright, so make sure you're looking ahead. You can just use the power to pull you through everything in this car. Honestly, you can left foot brake a lot with this car. That's what I've been doing this whole time. Wasn't the fastest, but
Nah, but it was awesome because we drifted the whole corner.
But you can use like your left foot, like you can left foot brake.
Yeah.
Like I was using it to like turn in and then like get early on the gas, like a little faster than you would normally,
Right.
just to make up for the lag.
Make a little bit of difference.
Because you can use the power to pull you out and kind of like, instead of like understeer, it'll actually pull you through the corner.
Sure.
So like your left foot braking, you also modulate like that as well.
It's interesting because the way that the all-wheel drive works on this, if you tap the brakes, it cuts power to the back.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so that's a little worse. If you could eliminate that,
Yeah.
That'd be
if I
way
could
better.
eliminate that, that'd be perfect. I think I'd have to have a Haldex controller do it on this.
yeah, that'd be awesome. But yeah, honestly,
On the R32, it's not that way, but because it's all electronic, that's how it is. It's weird.
yeah, because that's weird. Because yeah, that corner with the hump, I was on the brakes and I was holding the gas while on the brake to spool it real quick. Huh? That's why I pushed out.
I'm sorry, 45.6.
Today's autocross. Sorry I'm not so energetic. I'm extremely exhausted. I'm still tired from drifting with Nitro Circus. Like, I didn't get any sleep. I started a new job. And so I've started waking up earlier now, but I've also been doing homework late at night. On top of only sleeping for like 4 hours Nitro Circus weekend. On top of having to wake up early this weekend. So, next video, I'll take some, I'll get coffee. I'll get some proper coffee. I didn't get good coffee today. That's the problem right there. Didn't get coffee. So, always, you know what? Take this from this video. Always make sure to get good coffee before doing something. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.